I said that was going to be the last question. Have a think about this, though. So that could be my parting gift to you. Have a think about this. What would P minus Q be? What would that mean geometrically? What would P minus Q mean geometrically? Yes, well done. But what does it mean geometrically? If I wrote that down, how else can you think about this? Say if you only wanted to work with addition, how could you work with that? Exactly. So this would be the same as taking 5 and then adding on -3. And adding on -3, right? So, okay, P minus Q would be the same as taking P, move my vectors out of the way, it's taking P and then adding on -Q, okay? So here's my next question. What would -Q look like? Perfect, yeah. So instead of moving 2 steps to the left and 2 steps up, what would -Q look like? Good. You happy with that? Yeah. So 2 steps to the right and 2 steps down instead. Okay. So in which case, if I think about it in terms of this, so here's my P, which is 3 steps across and 4 steps up, and then I move along -Q. In fact, let me move that down a little bit. So oh no, right. Okay. So here's my -Q at the moment, 2 steps to the left and 2 steps up. If I just spin him round, that must be -Q. Are you happy? Because it's the opposite direction now. It's 2 steps to the right and 2 steps down. So 2 steps to the right and 2 steps down. Okay? So in which case, my resultant vector would be a movement from here over to here. So what would that be as a column notation vector? Good, exactly. So I'm taking 3, 4. And I'm taking away or adding on this thing, so adding on 2, -2. So I should end up with 5 and 2. Is that okay?